Hello everyone. So actually guys, before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. Now today's video actually is going to be special because actually I need to make a deal of the day on the gold. Let me just tell you guys, yesterday I have actually sent the midweek analysis, and as we can see, almost all of the pairs are running in the predicted direction. So they are actually going toward take profit level. However, gold has already hit the take profit level. So now what can we do next with the gold? Of course, I cannot just guys leave you empty-handed without any signal about the gold after it reached the take profit level. Now let me just tell you something guys. Now for today's deal of the gold, it's gonna actually, we will continue actually shorting this pair. Let me just now move to the 4-hour time frame, and right here based on the 4-hour time frame, we do have here something very interesting. So as you can see, we are having here this strong key support trend line, which has been respected repeatedly, and recently after the bearish breakout happened right here, the market rose again and respected the same level of a broken support trend line and has already been creating a resistance trend line. That means that this level of a resistance right here at 2060 has already been respected and now became as a resistance trend line. That tells us that the gold has also made here a bearish breakout from this level of a support trend line, as we can see. If I just change the line here and we connect this lower low to this higher low just like that, now we can notice that the bearish movement here is stronger. That means now that since the gold actually right here facing a support zone, now there is a possibility actually for a pullback to happen. If that happens, now we can expect to continue selling the gold at a certain point. Now let me just tell you exactly where we can start shorting the gold. To find the answer, we have to always rely on the resistance trend lines. Now how do we do that? Is by simply connect this level of a resistance trend line, as we can see, just like that. Now check this out. Right here we have this key resistance trend line that has been respected repeatedly, and right here became a support trend line for only once only, and instantly on this second attempt it broke out from that level. That means that the bearish movement is strong. The market is actually being able to create here multiple attempts of a resistance trend line with only one small attempt of support trend line, which has instantly been broken out from. So that means that, in my opinion, our best chances to resell the gold again will be right here exactly at this level of a resistance at 2028.92. It's gonna actually be taking a long time because we have to wait for the gold to rise to another 106 pips, but in my opinion it will be worth it, and the gold most likely is going to continue the fall after making the pullback from this level of a support and retesting, of course, the broken level of this support trend line to create hopefully a new resistance trend line, and after that the gold will continue the fall. Now based on the daily chart, our take profit level can actually be determined to be right here exactly at the same level of the highest level of a resistance right here, which was also a real level of a resistance, and right here we can notice the real level of the support and right here the fake breakout. That means that the gold most likely is going to continue the fall toward that level, which I think was 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. Let me just check it out. Yes indeed, it was indeed 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. So that means let me just tell you guys now that we can sell the gold exactly right here. Let me just now go to the 1-hour time frame. Exactly. So you know something, I think we can actually change the signal because now the bearish movement is very strong and the gold is just keeps sinking more and more. Let me now, after moving to the 1-hour time frame, use again the trend lines. I think we can actually change the entry to be right here. Now let me just tell you guys something. Now this entry is actually based on the 1-hour time frame, so you have to expect a small drawdown, and therefore I have to increase my stop loss to be just right there, little bit above this level of a resistance at 2042. So therefore we can expect a drawdown of about 192 pips. However, the take profit level is going to be big. It's going to be almost 400 pips of profit. Let me now please write the signal for you. And there goes your deal, my friends, for the gold. Hopefully it will be a winning one. And of course, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. And also you will get one free signal every day, such as this signal here to sell the pound JPY, which has just been sent out by Tutor. Of course, guys, Angela is no more working with us. Now it's Tutor who is handling the signals. So of course, you can find the link for this group in the description below of this video. So until then, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.